Hi everyone! If you want to track specific data that Clickup doesn't include by default, you need to master custom fields. These are user-defined attributes that let you store unique information like deadlines, budgets, or project stages. Today, I'll show you exactly how to set them up to supercharge your workflow. Step 1. Accessing your workspace. First, we need to choose the right scope. Open Clickup and head to the left sidebar to click on Spaces. Remember, custom fields are scoped to the specific space you select, which functions like an individual department for your team. Choose the space where your new data field will live. Step 2. Adding the new field. Now, navigate to the Custom Fields tab within that space and click the +Add Custom Field button. You'll be presented with several field types. Text fields are great for free-form notes like client feedback. Number fields help you track quantitative data such as estimated hours. Drop-downs are perfect for predefined options like a project stage. Date fields allow for custom scheduling beyond standard start and due dates. Step 3. Naming and finalizing. Once you've chosen your type, you need to give it a name. Use a naming convention that is both creative and highly specific. For example, instead of just date, use target completion so your team can identify it instantly during filtering and sorting. Click Create to finalize your new field. Step 4. Applying fields to tasks. To actually use your field, open any task within that same space. Locate the Add Field option under the task details and select your new custom field from the list. It will appear on the task immediately, ready for you to enter data and start tracking progress. Customizing your workspace this way leads to better organization, more precise filtering, and enhanced productivity across your entire team. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.